Friends, Huawei Mate 40 comes with Android 10 EMUI 11, but there is no Google Play services and powered by Kirin 9000E 5G processor with 3.13 GHz octa-core and GPU Mali G78 MP22.
Whereas Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro runs Android 9.0 Pie MIUI 10 user interface and powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor with 2.84 GHz octa-core and GPU Adreno 640.
If we see the display of this device, you can find 6.5 inches screen size with OLED Full HD display that comes with a resolution of 2376 by 1080 pixels with 402 ppi pixels density and also comes with IP53 dust and splash protection.
Whereas Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro is 6.39 inches device with Super AMOLED display having resolution 2340 by 1080 pixels with 403 ppi pixels density and comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 screen protection.
Talking about the internal memory, then Huawei Mate 40 is available in two variants. One is 128 GB and other is 256 GB, but both are available with 8 GB RAM and also supports nano memory up to 256 GB. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in Mystic Silver, white, black, olive green and sunflower yellow colors.
Moving on to Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro, it is available in different variants of the primary storage. One is 256 GB with 8 GB RAM, 128 GB with 6 or 8 GB RAM and 64 GB with 6 GB RAM, but there is no micro SD support. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in carbon black, flame red and glacier blue colors.
If we talk about the dimension of Huawei Mate 40, it measures 158.6 by 72.5 by 8.8 mm of height, width, thickness or 9.2 mm of leather back and 188 grams of weight with hybrid dual nano SIM option. This phone comes with front and back glass with aluminum frame.
Whereas Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro measures 156.7 by 74.3 by 8.8 mm of height, width, thickness and 191 grams of weight with dual nano SIM option.
About the camera, then Huawei Mate 40 comes with triple 50 plus 8 plus 16 megapixels primary camera setup with 1.9, 2.4 and 2.2 apertures with wide angle telephoto ultra wide and 3x optical zoom PDAF depth sensor Leica optics technology with LED flash panorama and HDR. It shoots out videos of 4K at 30 or 60 frames per second while Full HD at 30, 60, 120 and 240 frames per second and also equipped with 13 megapixels secondary camera with 2.4 aperture with ultra wide lens and it can record video at 4K and Full HD at 30 or 60 frames per second.
Moving on to primary camera of Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro, it comes with triple primary cameras like 48 plus 8 plus 13 megapixels with 1.8, 2.4 and 2.4 apertures with wide telephoto, ultra wide angle and 2x optical zoom. It shoots out videos of 2160p at 30 or 60 frames per second, 1080p at 30, 120, 240 and 960 frames per second. Also equipped with 20 megapixels secondary selfie camera with 2.2 aperture, HDR, 1080p recording at 30 frames per second.
Friends, in Huawei Mate 40 you can find under display optical fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like gyroscope, compass, accelerometer, proximity, color spectrum. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band Wi-Fi direct, Bluetooth, hotspot, NFC, GPS, infrared port, USB Type-C with USB on the go, fast charging at 40 watts, fast wireless charging at also 40 watts. This phone is powered by non-removable 4200 mAh battery as well.
Whereas in Redmi K20 Pro you can find under display fingerprint scanner. Moreover, it is having different sensors like accelerometer, gyroscope, compass and proximity sensors. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, FM radio, Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go and fast battery charging. This phone is also powered by non-removable 4000 mAh battery as well. So that was the quick comparison of both the smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.